Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autoplay from occurring on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and select the settings menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select the settings button near the bottom of this list. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then underneath Privacy and Security, select where it says Site and Shield Settings, and then scrolling down underneath Permissions, select Additional Permissions, and select where it says Autoplay. So you can either block sites from autoplaying videos or allow sites to autoplay videos, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.